Hello guys, this is CDLblox, and today I am going to be showing you how to make a ban list for your game. Now I apologize, the quality of the audio and the resolution of the screen is not as good as the last video, and that's because I am on a laptop. I'm in my room. As you can see, it is 2 o'clock in the morning, so I'm a bit tired, but I did want to get a video out for you guys because I was getting good feedback on the last video and I wanted to get something out for you. So if you have a game, if you're the developer of the game and you have some people that you don't really want in your game, this video is for you. And also, if you know any exploiters, let's say on YouTube, and you enjoy watching them exploit other people's games, but you don't really want them to exploit yours, you can add their username to this script. So let's get started. So first we need to add a script to the workspace, and we're going to be using a regular server-sided script. So right here, regular script, not local script, regular script right here. Let's get rid of that. So first, let's create a variable. Now I'm not really going to be going in depth with the Lua because I'm going to expect you to already know at least a little bit. But if you don't worry. I am making a Lua walkthrough tutorial. I'm going to be talking about all the basics, everything you need to know to get yourself on your feet and started learning Lua. I will explain a little bit, but I'm not going to explain in depth everything. So let's create a variable, and a variable is basically just shortening something up. So I'm just going to do a little example. Let's say you wanted to change the brick color of the base plate. Instead of typing game.workspace.baseplate.brickcolor, etc., what you can do is you can actually, like over and over again, what you can do is if you type local, let's just call it base B equals, and you only need to type one, so game.workspace.baseplate. So if we were to make a function and we had to keep typing, and we had to refer to the base plate a lot, instead of typing all of this out right here, you can just type base B and it means the same exact thing. So we're going to be making a variable called message, and this allows you to this is going to display a message to the user that's being kicked from the game or banned. So every time they join the game, this message will show up on the screen. So we're just going to type in you are banned. So whenever somebody joins the game, this message will display, and we're going to make a ban list. So local ban list equals, and we're going to do bracket, and we're going to type in their username. So everybody's username within this table will be banned. So we're going to ban builderman. Equals true, my bad. Choose to do that, and then we're going to type in my name for the sake of the tutorial. It's true. We're going to ban my friend as well. Equals true. And we're going to ban my little sister. Anyways, so just type in their username within the table, and it equals true. So let's say you wanted to give them another chance, but you didn't want to remove them from the ban list. What you could do is you could easily just go back in the script and just type in false. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to check true. It's going to skip over this one because it's false. And so it's banned, skip, banned. So the gas21 would not be banned in this case, but we are going to change that to true. Alright, so now it's time for the function side of it. So we're going to actually ban this person. So let's actually create little notes here. And in order to make a note, you just do dash, and everything after this is a note. So it will not be ran. So if I actually did this, if I did local ban list, this stuff wouldn't work because this stuff won't work because it doesn't actually know what is happening, but because I made that a note. But anyways, that doesn't matter. So we're just gonna note, this is the message that will be displayed. I'm not used to this keyboard. Anyways, let's get started. So we're going to create a function whenever somebody joins the game. We're going to check their username, and if their username is in the ban list, then we are going to kick them. So in order to do that, we need to call a function. So new players.player added connect function. We're going to parameter player. So what this is saying is we're going to go in the players. When a player is added, start this function. And we are going to refer to the player. So we type in the parameter player. So what we're going to do is we're going to do if ban list. We're going to do bracket player.name. Then player kick. And we're going to put the message variable in here. See, that was super easy. So what this is saying is when a player joins the game, if the player is in the ban list, then kick that player. But we do else. We're going to print a message saying this player is a nice person. Oops. So, oops, that's a lowercase p, my bad. Let's create a new line for this. So what this is doing is when a player joins the game, if they are in the ban list, if their name is in the ban list, then we're going to kick that player. But if not, then we're going to print in the console, this player is a nice person. So we have the output right here. So if I join, I should be kicked from the game. Yep, you were kicked from the game. You are banned. Let's leave. But let's disable my name. So let's clear the output so you can see if it worked. Yep, I joined the game and I'm not banned. So this player is a nice person. I hope this helped you guys out. Like I said, like I just displayed, if you don't want that person banned, just type in false. But if you do, type in true. You can have this message whatever you want. And let's say you didn't have this variable, you don't need this variable. Let's say we didn't have this variable. So let's remove it. We don't have the variable. In here, we would have to type in quotes, you are banned. And it is the exact same thing. I just made it so you just had to edit the variable so it was easier to access. So let's just, there you go. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about Lua or this video in general, please leave a comment and I will respond to you as fast as I can. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something. And I will be making a video very shortly, actually right now after this video, on the very basics of Lua. So I will see you guys later. Bye.